Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to your bank account. So first of all, you need to open your Prizepicks app or web browser and you need to go to the withdrawal section. So for example, you are using your mobile app, you need to click on the icon in the top left corner, and when you go to the withdrawal section, then you need to select your bank account. So you need to choose the exactly same bank account you previously used to deposit funds. If you have not used the bank account for deposits, you will need to make a minimum deposit, which is $10. So that's the second step. Let's go to the third step. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure it meets minimum withdrawal requirement, which is $10. Confirm the withdrawal. After submitting your request, you will receive one-time password via email. No further action is needed on your part. Prizepicks will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Also, there are some considerations. You can read about them. For example, playthrough requirements. Prizepicks requires a 1x playthrough of deposit funds before withdrawal. For example, if you deposit $25, you must play through $25 worth of lineups before withdrawing. Withdrawal frequency: only one successful withdrawal is permitted during 24 hours. Processing time: initial withdrawals may take from 6 to 12 hours for security review. Subsequent withdrawals are typically processed faster. Bank account linking issues: if your withdrawal is declined due to a bank account issues, contact Prizepicks support for assistance, guys. So that's how you can withdraw your money from Prizepicks to your bank account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.